What's happening, folks? More motivation. Today I'm going to show you the oatmeal that I make when I'm trying to add a bit of size. So this is a recipe that works well for me. It's very high in carbohydrates, high in protein, has a little bit of healthy fats in there, and it tastes great for me. So things such as protein, you can mix it up to your liking. So there can be birthday cake flavor, ice cream, vanilla, whatever flavors you like, you can play with that to make it taste the best for you. So let's go in the kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the type of oats that I use. So nothing major. It's just the Quaker quick oats here. It's pretty cheap. I think I got this whole bag for about $5. Right, it's about 1 kilogram, or it's about 2.25 kilograms. It's gonna last you a very long time, and it's simple. You know, I incorporate it every once in a while, and it's very easy and efficient to make. And it doesn't go bad very quickly, which is good, and very cheap for the amount you get. So yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do, I already did that step, is put water in the rice cooker. So for 90 grams of the oats here, you're gonna put about 1 cup of water. You're gonna put it in the stove. You're gonna let it sizzle for a bit, and it should come out a sort of a creamy, soft texture. Right now, it's just about completed. I don't have any mitts to show exactly, but what I'm gonna do is fry to show you what it looks like. So as you can see, you see the runny texture. It's pretty hot right now actually, so it's a pretty good texture. That's when you're gonna mix it with the protein and the fruits, and it's gonna be all mushy, you know, sweet and delicious. So the next step, I'm gonna show you what protein I use to put in it. My old protein ran out, so I'm using a different version right now, but normally the one I use is the diesel isolate protein and the ice cream vanilla flavor. And I'm also going to show you what fruits I put in and so much more. Stay tuned, and thanks once again for sticking around and watching the video. Make sure to click that like button, make sure to share and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have more videos like this, so make sure to do that. Stay tuned. Okay folks, so at the part where I'm putting in all my ingredients, so the texture of the oats look fantastic right now. I actually left it to heat up a bit longer, and the texture is soft, mushy, beautiful. So we're gonna add in all my fruits. So first I'm gonna start with a whole banana. I'm gonna break it up in pieces and throw it in there. Okay. So the reason I cannot show you it like right now is because it's way down here and there's not enough space to put my camera on. So I had to put it somewhere where you can see me talking to the camera. So I'm adding my bananas in there. Alright, this tastes amazing, by the way. Don't concern too much on how it looks, it tastes amazing. I'm gonna add my bananas in there. I'm gonna stir it together, and the heat of the oatmeal is gonna melt the banana, and the banana is gonna give it a bit of sweetness. So this is like a natural sugar in it. Then I'm gonna add the pineapple. Add a few. So these are frozen fruits. That's why I need the heat of the oatmeal to melt it. And these are also more natural sugars from the pineapple combined with the banana. Next up, I'm gonna add peanut butter to it as well. This is my healthy fats. Obviously there's better options than this one. I just get this one because it's cheap, it will last longer, and I eat a lot of peanut butter. So better versions to get that are healthier for you is almond butter, natural peanut butter, but I get this one because it tastes better and it will last longer because I will not take as much of it. So I'm gonna use another spoon. I'm gonna use about, so a serving is about 15 grams. So I've done this so many times where I can get at least one of these spoons and it should do the job. Keep in mind, 15 grams of peanut butter is quite a bit. So I'm just gonna take this much, which isn't too much. Okay, that'll be about 15 to 20 grams right there. Okay, I'm gonna stir it together. Alright, it smells amazing already. And obviously, one of the last steps. We're almost getting there, folks. We're almost getting there. I'm gonna add protein. So the best flavor to add for protein is vanilla. I cannot see it working better with any other flavor. As I said before, the protein that I normally use ran out, so I grabbed any type of protein that had a vanilla type of flavor. The reason I add bananas and pineapples today is because of the sugar, and in this particular protein it's not as sweet. So the natural sweetening from the pineapple and the banana is gonna help get that as I would get from my other protein which ran out. So I'm gonna put in about 2 scoops today. So once it's in there, we're gonna stir it together. The only con when you put in the protein is sometimes if the oatmeal is too hot, it's gonna make it all flaky, which is not gonna taste good. So you wanna heat it up, let it cool down a little bit, add the frozen fruits in there. The temperature of the fruits will cool down the oatmeal, and then you put it on the protein after. That's the real way to do it. And now, whoo, it's looking really, I'm liking the texture right now. The melted banana, it's looking so good. The texture is really nice right now, which is good. Alright, and the final step is to add in some mixed berries. Okay, the mixed berries are frozen as well, but this is just the finishing touches. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how it looks in a second. But it tastes absolutely amazing. Alright, don't be fooled. It almost looks like baby food, but I'm telling you right now, if you try this, you will not do any other breakfast. I can promise you that. So, basically this is what it looks like. Right? You see the texture is really nice and soft. It's really, really good. Really, really good. But that concludes the video, folks. So that's just a basic recipe for oatmeal. If you do not want to add sugars in it, get the sugars from fruits. You know what I mean? Pineapple does a great job. Bananas. There's so many different things you can do instead of adding things to your meals that are unnatural. So this is just a quick oatmeal recipe. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications to be notified when I post more stuff. More videos to come this year. We're gonna take it very serious, but I need you guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. Like always, get better every day, optimize yourself. God bless you.